Elegant and indulgent, these no-bake eclairs feature a crisp, buttery Pistachio Kunafa base, light, yet rich. The creamy centre is enveloped in crisp pistachio Kunafa and topped with a smooth layer of rich chocolate ganache and generously sprinkled with vibrant chopped pistachios. Each éclair is a harmonious they deliver perfect blend of textures and flavours. A sophisticated dessert seamlessly fuses Middle Eastern tradition with French finesse, perfect for any gourmet occasion. Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you, presents no-bake Kunafa éclair. For pistachios cream, take 1 cup pistachio. Pour hot water over them. Give it a stir. Let it sit for 5 minutes. For Kunafa Base, take 200 grams Kunafa Kunafa phyllo dough. Always check if it's good or spoil. Chop Kunafa Kunafa dough. Instead, you can use vermicelli. Melt 2 tablespoons butter in a pan. Let the butter melt completely. Put chopped Kunafa dough on a pan. Roast well. Roast until crispy golden brown. Transfer in a mixing bowl. Now, let's make pistachio cream. First things first, peel off the pistachios. Simply pinch the skin between your fingers and peel it off, or rub off the skin with your fingers or towel. Works best after blanching or roasting. All pistachios are peeled well. Let it air dry for some time. Meanwhile, melt the white chocolate. Break the 150 grams white chocolate and add into a microwave-safe bowl. Heat in short intervals. Microwave the chocolate for 20 to 30 seconds at a time. Then stir. Stirring helps distribute the heat and ensures an even melt. Repeat until melted. Continue heating and stirring in short intervals until the chocolate is completely melted and smooth. Now transfer peeled pistachio into blender jar. Blend it pour melted white chocolate. Pour 1/3 cup condensed milk. Add 1 tablespoon coconut or any cooking oil. Add a pinch of salt. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla essence. There's no need to buy from the supermarket. You can keep in the refrigerator for up to 1 to 2 weeks. Spread on bread and have it or use it in any desserts. Whenever you want, just give it a quick stir and enjoy it. Blend well. Stop, check consistency, and scrape down the sides if needed. Blend until forms a smooth paste. Remove it. I want a little pouring consistency in this recipe, so I kept it like this. If you want spreadable consistency, add less condensed milk, or if too thick, add more condensed milk. Your freshly creamy pistachio butter is ready. For Kunafa Base, take roasted kunafa, pour creamy pistachio, cream as required. Add 2 tablespoons tahini. It's totally optional if you love nutty flavour. Add pinch of green food colour, it's totally optional. 2 to 3 tablespoons. Slivered pistachios. Mix well. Pour some more cream and adjust the consistency. Our Kunafa base is ready. Keep aside, we will use it later. Let's make a cream cheese filling. In a large bowl, add ice cubes. Place another bowl over it, take 1/2 cup double or whipping cream. Add 1/4 cup icing sugar. 1/2 teaspoon vanilla essence. Add pinch of salt. Mix with spatula, otherwise your kitchen will get messy. Now beat well. Beat well until stiff peak forms. Add 165 grams cream cheese. Beat until smooth and fluffy. Beat well, very smooth, silky texture. Our cream cheese filling is ready. For ganache, take 150 grams milk chocolate. break it. Add 75 milliliters cream. Add 1 tablespoon butter for shine. Melt 30 seconds intervals. Check in between to avoid burning. Stir well. Completely melt. Check on spoon. Consistency should be like this. It will more thickens once completely cooled down. Keep aside, we will use in the end. It's time to assemble our no-bake Kunafa éclair. Take éclair or any cutter you have. Place on parchment paper. Take a spoonful Kunafa Base mixture. Spread it evenly with the help of a spoon. Patch it up some more Kunafa as needed. Flatten it. Put sufficient stuffing and flatten it. Spread out evenly with the help of a spoon. Flatten it. Repeat the same procedure for all. Keep it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes or until it will be firm. Spoon or pipe the cheesecake mixture over the cooled Kunafa base. Spread well. Smooth out the layer. Add chilled cream cheese filling. Spread out evenly. Smooth out the layer. Again, refrigerate for 2 hours or until it's set. Remove them from the refrigerator. Demold it carefully. Remove it from the cutter as shown, or you can run a knife towards the corners as well. You can also smooth out the sides too. Place on serving plate. They are fragile, so handle it carefully. All éclairs sets beautifully. Repeat the same procedure, do all. Gently press it with light hands as shown. To elevate the indulgence, the dessert is crowned with a luscious layer of silky chocolate ganache. Pour the ganache evenly over the top. Gently spread with spoon. Add chopped pistachio for extra crunch and visual appeal. This dessert is a perfect balance of texture and sweetness, making it a favourite for special occasions and celebrations. Do give it a try, this delicious recipe, and let me know how it goes. Refrigerate for at least 1 hour before serving until the ganache firms up. You have to try this recipe. Let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. And if you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Enjoy the irresistible blend of crispy Kunafa, creamy pistachio cheesecake, éclair, and velvety chocolate ganache. Do try and thank me later. See you in the next one. Happy cooking! Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.